welcome to today's video. This video has been highly requested by certain people, and honestly it's been a video that I have wanted to record also. I just didn't know how to do it properly. If you cannot tell by the title, today's video is going to be all about hair washing. Essentially, it is going to be our hair washing routine, and I'm going to kind of give my tips and stuff that I've learned along the way that works for us as far as making it a whole lot easier on you and the kid and just everything. With it being a hair washing video, I haven't known really how to record it, just because obviously if I'm washing my child's hair, she's gonna be in the bath and I'm not gonna put video clips of my child with no clothes on the internet. So I had to find a way of recording this video and having it make sense, but also being something that I actually want to put on the internet, which I'm hoping this is that. I'm hoping this video works out and I got all the video clips that I need to have this make sense. If that makes sense, I don't know. This video is actually going to be inserted into our new series on this channel, which is the How to Style Natural Hair series. Even though this video isn't necessarily about styling, I want that series of videos to be kind of the basics of natural hair, if that makes sense. So it's, you know, there's actual styling things on there, how to braid, how to do twist, all that kind of stuff, but then also a video like this where it's, I mean, it's kind of a necessity. You need to know how to properly take care of the natural hair, and washing it is a part of that. So I'm going to insert it into that series, even though it's not necessarily a styling video. But I guess we'll just jump right on in with our routine. So the first thing you have to do, obviously, is wet the hair. You have to do that for anybody's hair if you're going to be washing it, not just natural hair. We actually have this like detachable shower head thing. I'm going to insert a video of it right here because I don't really know the actual term or name of it. This is not like a need, but it definitely works for us, making it a whole lot easier. The longer and the thicker my daughter's hair has gotten, I can't just like pour water with a cup on her head anymore. I need to like really get in there, and having that detachable sprayer works amazing. You can actually buy them on Amazon that are like legit shower heads, or ones that attach onto like the tap part of the bath or just a sink or whatever. I'll try and find both and link them down below. If I don't, it should be fairly easy to find on Amazon. But yeah, it definitely makes life a whole lot easier. Once you have thoroughly saturated the hair with water, you definitely have to make sure that the hair is like fully saturated and like soaking wet. You're gonna go in with your shampoo. Now, for this video, I ended up using this shampoo on my daughter, which is the Beautiful Textures Tangle Taming Sulfate-Free Moisturizing Shampoo. We also have a Curly Kids something shampoo. I'll insert a picture or video or whatever of that shampoo as well. I don't actually remember the name of it. I just know the brand is Curly Kids. But like I said, we ended up using this one for this video. We have both. Both work amazing in my daughter's hair. I will link down below a video of me talking about all the products I use in my daughter's hair, so I won't get too much into that now, just because it's not the video. But I did do a video, I think it's like the second one we ever uploaded on this channel, talking about all the products that we use and that we love and all that kind of stuff. So, take the shampoo, I showed the amount that I use, and I will rub the shampoo between my hands, and then when I'm putting it on her hair, I do not wash all of her hair, like all the way to the ends, every single time I wash her hair. I do that maybe like once a month-ish. I don't really like have a certain time limit between doing those washes. I just kind of do it when I feel like her hair really needs it. This time I did not. I just focused on the roots and the scalp. So what I'll do is I will put the shampoo on the top, on the back, on the sides obviously, and then kind of like work my way back to like the top of her scalp, like right here. um, and I will like make sure that I've gotten all the shampoo off of my hands into her hair. And then we use one of these. Again, I don't know what these are called. They're like little scalp scrubber shampoo things. Again, I'll link down below if I remember. Easy to find pretty much anywhere. I think you can get them from like most drugstores like CVS and stuff. You can also get them off of Amazon. So yeah, I'll link those if I can find them. I learned, honestly, only a little while ago, but I was already using this when I learned this information, that using your nails to scrub the scalp is actually really bad. It makes your scalp become inflamed, and it prevents hair growth, whereas if you use your knuckles or your fingertips or one of these, it's going to promote hair growth because you are stimulating the scalp rather than sitting there scratching it and making it become inflamed. So definitely invest in one of these, or get used to scrubbing with your fingertips or knuckles or something, just to fully work all the dirt and stuff off of the scalp. A healthy scalp needs healthy hair, and that's for anybody, not just for natural hair, but yeah, very, very important. So yeah, tip number one, don't wash the entire head of hair every single time. You're going to end up drying out the hair because the ends of the head don't need to be washed. It's just the scalp that needs to be washed, really, on a regular basis. And tip number two, use one of these, or use your fingertips or knuckles instead of your nails to scratch the scalp. Once I have washed that out, we go in with our conditioner. This is the Equate Beauty Argan Oil Conditioner. It says to compare to the OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Conditioner. I have only just bought this, and I've only used it a couple of times. I actually bought the same brand, just it was like the coconut milk one for my husband. And I mean, both of them work amazingly. They're sulfate free, parabens free, all that kind of stuff, so they're perfect for natural hair, which if you want, I can go more into detail on that in another video maybe, as far as like how to find products that are going to be good and healthy for your hair. Your shampoo and conditioner cannot have sulfates or parabens in them. That is going to weigh down your hair. It's going to affect the curliness. It's not good. It's not good for your hair. Really, it's not good for anybody's hair, but especially for natural hair, and especially if you start moving into, like, your hair is just gonna magically change into a different texture. If you are born with and you have, like, the 4 A, B, and C type hair, it's definitely bad for you to use sulfates and stuff, so you have to make sure, but this one is good, it's fine, it works for us, and it's obviously huge, it's going to last us quite a while. Now with conditioner, you are going to only put it on the ends of the hair because, like I said, the scalp needs to be cleaned, but the ends of your hair needs to be moisturized. You need to get all of your hair moisturized. So what I'll do with the conditioner is I'll take it in my hand, and I show the amount that I used again, and I, again, rub it between my hands to get it on both of them, and then I kind of like take the hair and then rub my hands, and I'll like be inserting a video. I don't know why I can think of the word video there, but I'll be inserting a video right here of what I mean. But like, I take the hair in between my hands and I like rub it all the way down to make sure I'm fully saturating the hair with the conditioner, so that I'm really getting it in there and I really work it in there. And then I leave the conditioner on for a good couple of minutes, so that it can really soak in and do its job. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I do not detangle my daughter's hair in the bathtub. She honestly really doesn't love having her hair washed, and so I just kind of get the hair washing out of the way and then get her out of the bathtub to detangle and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I don't detangle in the bath while I'm washing her hair. I know a lot of people do. A lot of people will put the conditioner in, detangle while they're in the shower or whatever, and then wash the conditioner out. For us, that just doesn't work. So that's the hair washing part of it out of the way. I'm gonna put this down now. That's the hair washing part of this video out of the way. Now I'm gonna move on to what we do straight after she's taken a bath, and I've washed her hair. So I will get her out. I don't do anything as far as like towel drying or anything like that. I will take some of our leave-in conditioner, whatever leave-in conditioner we are using for this day. I'm pretty sure for this, like when I recorded this video, we used our As I Am Long and Luxe leave-in conditioner. I'll insert a video of that one right here. I will take some of that in my hand, rake it through her hair, and then use the comb to detangle. As long as the hair is soaking wet and you have some kind of moisturizer or conditioner, like something to help the hair be soft, basically, and you go to detangle, you're fine. You don't have to do it in the shower, bath, whatever you do when you cleanse and wash your hair. So yeah, we do it after the bath, but her hair is still soaking wet. We use the leave-in conditioner and I detangle. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you found this video useful and maybe you learned something new. I don't know if these tips are going to help you or not. Like I said, this routine and these tips are things that I have learned along the way with taking care of Alethia's hair, and this routine just kind of works for us right now. I don't know if it'll change at some point in the future. But yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe and all of that kind of stuff, and we will see you in the next video. You can come say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.